Halo, kali ini saya akan unboxing Asus RX 6600 XT ya, dari pembelian di Tapao. Untuk sementara ini harga kripto turun, di China ini juga ikut turun ya harga VGA, khususnya di Tapao. Lumayan sangat murah kawan-kawan ya. Nanti kita bisa lihat. Nah, ini yang paling kelihatan murah ini di Tapao ya. Untuk lapak lainnya untuk di Tmall dan Alibaba itu juga ada penurunan ya, tapi yang paling kelihatan banyak ini di Tapao ya. Kenapa di Tapao lebih murah? Karena ini untuk seller yang sudah di verified atau sertifikasi ini murah ya, untuk pembayaran penitipan dananya atau pajaknya di Alibaba. Masalahnya dia tanpa toko offline. Untuk yang tanda jari ini alamat tempat seller ke port China ya, ke bandara atau pelabuhan atas angkut di China. Nah, ini ditutup sama forwarder Cina, diganti alamat forwarder Indonesia. Nah, port China itu ada beberapa ya, Guangzhou, Shenzhen, sama Yiwu itu ya. Tapi yang biasa dipakai itu yang Guangzhou itu ya.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. Run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go, change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay, people I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am, and I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
Ini VGA yang dari pembelian dari Tmall kemarin ya. Belum saya pakai. Rencana mau satu rig ya baru saya pakai. Nah, ini alamat seller dan garansinya ya. Sama-sama dari Asus.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't want